Now this is the last exercise in this lesson. I mean the last video. We have here number 47 and number 48. Number 47 and number 48. Number 47, they're given here this circle, given the measure of this angle C, the measure of this angle 4C minus 10. It says here find C. Find C. We need to know the relation between C and 4C minus 10. As you can see, they are supplementary. They are supplementary. So the sum of their measures will be 180. So C plus 4C minus 10 equals 180. So C plus 4C minus 10 equals 180. C plus 4C, 5C. Then plus 10 plus 10 equals 5C equals 190. Divided by 5, divided by 5. So C equals 28, 38. 190 divided by 5 equals 38. So C equals 38 degrees. If you want to get the measure of each one, this C will be 38, and 4C minus 10 equals 4 times 38 minus 10 equals 142 degrees. So this is the measure of the arc. PQ, this is not written, you can say like S. This is number 47. In number 48, they're given here three arcs. They form a full circle. So the sum of their measures should be, yes, correct, 360. The sum of their measures should be 360. So X plus 40 plus 3X plus 20 plus 2X plus 60 equals 360. We have here X plus 3X, 4X plus 2X, 6X. Plus, we have here 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 60, 120 equals 360. Minus 120, so 6X equals 360 minus 120 to 40. Divide each by 6, divide the left side and the right side. So X equals 240 divided by 6 equals 40 degrees. If I want to get the measure of each arc, just do substitution. Here, 40 plus 40, this arc it becomes 80. 3 times 40, 120 plus 20, 140. This arc is 140. 2 times 40, 80. 80 plus 60 equals 140. 80 plus 60 equals 140. 140. 140 plus 140 to 80. To 80 plus 80 equals 360, which is the required. Then we have from number 52 up to 54. I'm gonna solve 52 and you will solve 53 and 54. The last one, 52. We have here circle. This is one diameter. This is another diameter. The radius is 4.1, and this angle is 45 degrees. Here, this arc, its measure is 45. It says find the measure of the red arc. This red arc, the length of this red arc represents measured arc more than half the circle. How to get the measure of this arc? This is 45, so the opposite one here will be 45 also. This 45. 45 from 180, so this one is 135. By adding them, 45 plus 135, 180, 180 plus 45, 225. So the measure of this arc is 225. So the length of the arc equals 225 degrees over 360 multiply 2 by multiply by the radius 4.1. We can write the formula before here. Length of the arc equal measure of the arc, or x over 360 multiply 2 by r. This is the formula. And we can put this number on the calculator. 225 over 360 times 2 by times 4.1. Sorry, it's not correct like this. Times 2 by times 4.1. Which equals 41 over 8 by, equals 41 over 8 by, and this is the length of the required arc. I'm done with this lesson. Inshallah, the next time will be the new lesson. Assalamu alaikum.